For poultry producers, the early development and growth of hatchlings is critical for success. That's why Clear H2O developed AquaBeads, a revolutionary feed attractant that accelerates the early discovery of feed and water. From the moment hatchlings are placed, AquaBeads become their key to a strong foundation. AquaBeads are 92% moisture gel beads that are applied as a top dressing to the starter feed. Poults are attracted to the bright green color, which helps them quickly locate their source of hydration and nutrition, supporting the development of their digestive and immune systems. AquaBeads are delivered ready to use in a 34-pound pail. Inside the pail, there's a small amount of brine to help the AquaBeads retain their moisture. The application of AquaBeads is simple. You can drain the brine using another 5-gallon pail with holes drilled around the bottom edge that allow a liquid to flow through. The brine drains in just a minute, at which point you can pour AquaBeads back into their original pail for application. With the brine drained, AquaBeads are ready to be applied to the starter feed. AquaBeads can be applied at a rate of 1 to 2 grams per hatchling per day at the time of placement. Applications may range from 1 to 3 days depending on hatchling and environmental conditions. By incorporating AquaBeads into poultry nutrition programs, farmers can enhance the overall performance and success of their flocks. 7-day mortality, body weight, gut development, disease resistance, and overall livability are positively impacted by proper hydration and nutrition. When scattered, the birds are drawn to the beads and immediately start consuming them. Join the revolution and get started with AquaBeads today. Visit us online at clearh2o.com/product/aquabeads to learn more.